Okay, so in this video I want to show you how to create a fan page on Facebook. To get started, log in into your Facebook account and then click on this little arrow in the top right hand corner. Can you see that? Just click here and select Create Page from the drop down menu. Now, as you can see, we have to pick a category. Now, if you're a local business or a place, then you want to select this option here. As you can see, there are 6 different categories to pick from, like company, organization or institution, brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment, cause or community. But again, if you're a local business, then that's just a perfect category for your business. So first of all, you want to choose a category. This completely depends on your business. So let's say I'm in the food niche. Okay, I'm running a restaurant. Then I would select this one here, right? So just go ahead and pick your niche, your local business category. Then you want to enter the name of your business. So let's say I'm running a steakhouse in New York. So I would enter Old Homestead Steakhouse, right? You want to add the address, 9th Avenue. We are in New York. Perfect. Then enter the zip code. And last but not least, enter your phone number. Awesome. If you're done, click on Get Started. Next, you want to add a description and a website to improve the ranking of your page in search and to just provide more information about your business to your customers, to your existing customers and to new customers, okay? So basically just describe in 1 or 2 sentences what your business is all about. So here I would do something like visit the city's finest place for prime beef in 2015. If you have absolutely no clue what to enter here, then, well, just check out your competitors. Take a look at what other restaurants are doing in your market, or I don't know what your business is all about. Just take a look what your competitors do, stalk them a little bit on Facebook, and you'll get some great ideas what you can enter in this section. Just make sure that a new customer knows right away what your business is all about. Next, you want to enter a website here. Now, if you have a website, then just go ahead and enter it here, right? If you don't have an actual website, but you have a YouTube channel, for example, or a Twitter account, then you can link that here as well. Okay, so if you have any other type of online property or social media property, go ahead and showcase it on your fan page. Well, then Facebook is asking us, is Old Homestead Steakhouse a real establishment, business, or venue? Yes. Will Old Homestead Steakhouse be the authorized and official representation of this establishment, business, or venue or on Facebook? Right? Yes. If you're done, then click on Save Info. Next, you want to upload a profile picture. You can upload it from your computer or you can import it from your website. Now, the profile picture should basically represent your logo. I assume that you have a logo already. In case you don't have a logo yet, then don't worry about it. In the next video, I'll show you how to get a logo for free or just a few bucks. So seriously, if you have a logo, upload it. If you don't have one yet, just wait until the next video and click on skip. Next, you can add your page to your favorites to easily access it anytime. You can do it or just skip it. Then you want to select your preferred page audience. So you want to tell Facebook about the people you'd most like to connect with. Obviously, anybody can find your page, but Facebook will do the best to put it in front of the people who matter to your business the most. So if you have a local store, a local business, I assume that you know your audience. So just go ahead and enter the location here. Let's say it's New York, right? Then you want to define the age range. So let's say my target audience is between like 30 and 50. Gender all, I want to reach men and women. You can say you want to reach women only or men only, that these are the most relevant to your business, and then you want to add some interest here, okay? So in this case, it's like steak house, steak. Let's try beef. Perfect. Okay, so you want to enter a bunch of interests here that are relevant to your business. If you're done, click on Save. Perfect, you just created your fan page. As you can see, it's really as easy as that. If you want, you can even like your own fan page. And well, in the next video, I'll show you how to get a stunning design for your fan page. As you can see, the profile picture and the timeline cover is missing here. And I'll also show you how to customize your fan page a little bit more. We'll add a little bit more information to it. So your customers, your existing customers and potential new customers will have more information about your business.